It's a glorious morning here in Northern Ireland, and it's actually a shop update day. I'm thinking of, if I finish my work, maybe I can sneak off and go for a nice walk somewhere, because I'm trying to get outside more, like in the great outdoors. So I have a wee Zoom meeting at 10, and then I have to upload a couple of things to the website for tonight, and couple of administrative things, and I want to make a Ravelry bundle for people buying my new yarn, just to give them ideas for patterns. So that's not too many things to do, and if I hurry along I can get that done now, I think. So off we go. I have just finished my admin this morning, so I've just got one order to pack, my indigo vat to stir, and then I might head out with my knitting actually. Have to get some lunch, put the focaccia in the oven, and eat something, and maybe have a wee shower, and then before I go. So yeah, I'm all set for the shop update tonight. There's so many nice goodies in it, so that's exciting. And tomorrow will hopefully be a packing day. And yeah, I'm ready to knit. PetiteKnit's just released a Dagmar cardigan, and I have some yarn for it, so I might kick that up and download the pattern and knit swatch. But I have just wound up my yarn for the Dagmar jacket. Am I feeling nervous about this? Yes. Am I experienced at cables? No. Am I beyond intermediate? No. Am I going to try this? I think I will. I'm gonna at least try this watch and see how I get on. So yeah, I just wound one cake. I'll see how it goes. I had a lovely delivery today of stitch markers for the Christmas shop update from Where Meadows Grow, and she actually sent me a wee extra one just for myself. A wee mushroom. See, that's so cute. So I'm actually thinking of launching like winter boxes this year. I haven't done this for a few years, but it's gonna have, I think, yarn, stitch marker, mug, and a couple of other things in there. So I'm gonna launch those maybe in October and send them out at the start of December, just as a little extra project. Why not? I'm wearing my Albers tank. This is a pattern by Sister Mountain, and it was knit in my Galway yarn. So I'm going to download this pattern and see if I need to get a cable needle. I probably do. So I need to figure out, maybe I can order it online, possibly. We'll see what the pattern says. I've just downloaded the pattern, and for PetiteKnit this is an exceedingly long pattern. And I do feel intimidated. I'm just going to flash you a bit of the chart. Oh, does it make you feel a bit sick? And there's more than one chart. There's actually like 4 pages of charts. I don't know if I can do this. Ooh. But the thing with charts is sometimes they look complicated, but when you start them they're not as bad as you think they're going to be. Anyway, now I need to order a cable needle. Because it's not something I own. I want a nice light one, not one that's heavy. And hopefully I can find a nice, maybe wooden one or something. We will see. Just spent about half an hour reading through the Dagmar jacket cardigan. It's definitely the most advanced pattern I've ever read. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do it or not. Usually when I read through a pattern I try and like visualize each step, but this was kind of too tricky for me to do that, but I think I understand the construction. The actual construction doesn't seem hard. It's reading from the charts, increasing in pattern, all of that stuff. So anyway, I'm also not sure what, because the gauge just had 2 different gauges for 2 different parts of the texture, but it didn't say which one to use for the gauge swatch or whether you should use both. So I might just start knitting it and see, kind of use that as my gauge swatch. That's probably a terrible idea. It's almost certainly a terrible idea. So usually with PetiteKnit patterns, if I go down like a quarter of a needle size, I'll meet her gauge, so I can maybe just do that and hope for the best. I don't know. I went into a lovely shop there. I'm in Port Stewart, called A Broader Picture. I kind of know the girl that runs it, and I got a couple of very, very non-essential things. I got 2 beautiful tea towels. Whoa, life is so exciting. And I got some little mushroom decorations, which I just thought they're so cute. So I might put them up in a little garland and put them in the house. They'd be so cute. So I'll show them to you. I'll show you them now. Sorry about the strange angle. These are my little mushroom decorations. So cute. And I'll show you my tea towels because, you know, I almost got a red one, but then I decided to get a blue and a green one. I don't know if I'm channeling like autumn vibes or winter ones, but I'm absolutely loving it. What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
What other day is it?
What other day?
Shop packing update day.
Oh yes! I forgot!
And it's a very wet day. Logging up the studio. I've had a big day of packing, lots of orders from y'all, so thank you so much. And my natural DK went down really well, so I'm really glad because I love that yarn and I was hoping you would love it too. So yeah, you'll have to show me what you knit up in it. Tonight on the agenda is to sit and knit on my chestnut sweater. I actually made a bit of a mistake on one of the shoulders. I didn't knit enough rows before doing increases on one of the shoulder sections. So I'm going to finish the right shoulder, go back and fix the left shoulder, and then probably connect them all together tonight. So I'm looking forward to that quite a lot. Hi all, it's a few days later now and had a very early bedtime tonight, 6:30. So that means that I have decided in my wisdom, instead of sitting down and doing some knitting, that I would make some elderberry syrup. It's supposed to be immune boosting and all this sort of stuff. Well, they were in the garden, so I thought, why not? So it's, you simmer your elderberries with a cinnamon stick. I'm going to put in some vanilla. I have one vanilla pod that's been in the cupboard for ages. And then once you've simmered that for 45 minutes, then you add in, you fish out the cinnamon stick, and then you put in whatever your measurement is in elderberries. You double it with whatever your preservative is. So I'm using honey. I might use a mixture of honey and sugar depending on how much I have. If I don't have that much after it's simmered down, I'll just use honey. But if it's quite a lot, then I'll do honey and sugar, just because otherwise I'll get very pricey. And then you put in a bit of gin. We got this as a present, so I'm going to put a wee bit of this in, and that helps the shelf life of it. So that's what I'm going to do now. Happy Saturday night, folks. What are you making?
Lemon cheesecake.
Based in the less affluent end of the London borough of Ealing, it's housed in a bright
Looks
modern
nice,
building.
smells amazing.
It has over
Tell us about your
1,000
secret ingredients.
Not all of whom want to be
I
there.
couldn't not be giving it all away.
Let's see if we can find any evidence.
One of these pupils was me.
Anything else here?
No, hidden restaurant.
Okay, so we can never find out your secret recipe.
It'll never be revealed.
Down there, that corridor.
Good.
Gonna sit down with my winter warmer here. Smells amazing. I did put a little bit of gin in it, just a little splash into the final syrup. And I'm gonna do some knitting and I'm gonna watch some TV now, which I'm really looking forward to. Put a couple of slices of lemon in here. Yummy. Yeah, I'm gonna work on my chestnut sweater. So it's going really well. I'll show it to you here. I'm working on the front at the moment. Stick it on here. I mean, this is the first time I've tried it on, but I think it's going well. There we go. So yeah, really enjoying this project, and I'm watching a programme called Night Sleeper at the moment, which is very good. It's on BBC. How did the cheesecake go?
It's in the fridge.
Nice.